no-code web app builder, full stack from front to back, which means you are able to design the front end, the back end, including the database structure. The ability to create a custom chatbot with RAG engine, with structured output, and with tool invocation, which means you are able to integrate this with your own application or with any other API. This also includes building the application, testing the application, and deploying the application right from your browser. Here is the AI travel agent created completely using Momen.app. I'm going to ask, I want to travel from London to New York from 1st to 7th of December. Plan a trip. Everything else, your preference. Now, based on my requirement, it's giving me day 1 plan, departure from London. Day 2, explore Manhattan. Day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7, December 7th, departure. Also, it's giving me information to book those tickets. So this involves the user requesting the travel plan to AI, and the AI searches weather information, latest events using search API, that is Tivoli search. Then the results sent back to AI, and the AI prepares the itinerary and sends that back to the user. So all these things happening behind the scenes. So how can you develop this? So I'm going to take you through step by step how you can create a basic chatbot with search API, how you are able to integrate RAG features and other features from Momen.app. But before that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel. So do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned. Make sure you click the like button so this video can be helpful for many others like you. Thanks to Momen.app for sponsoring this video. Momen offers payment setup, which means you are able to integrate with payment systems such as Stripe. Also, it offers permission management setup. Generally, if you take an application, it involves a front end and a back end. The front end is what we see, the user design, and the back end is the functionality and also integration with the database. These are really complex tasks. Momen packaged it all together in this user interface where you have the UI design elements, you have multiple components, the database where you are able to define your custom database structure. You are able to integrate this with your custom API or external API. You have action flow, that is the control. Then finally AI features. So in this we are going to mainly focus on AI features. So first step, creating a basic chatbot. After you sign into Momen.app, you can create a new project. Then in that project, there is an option called AI at the top. Click on that. There I'm going to click create. Now here is the basic chatbot. I'm going to name AI travel agent. So here you got custom configuration where you can define your model, the temperature you want, maximum round, the maximum number of tokens to use, the input, predefined prompts, context, tools, integration with other API, and how you want the output structure. To start, I'm going to keep this simple and you are able to start testing it right in the browser. So click on start conversation. Now your chatbot is ready. So I'm going to just say, create a meal plan for me today. Now based on my request, here is the meal plan: breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and I can ask follow-up questions as well. So in this way, you are able to quickly prototype, provide custom instruction, and see how the response is going to look like before deployment. Next, creating a chatbot with search API. So it can go and search in real time and get current information. For this, we are going to use Tivoli search API. Using this API, you are giving the ability for the AI chatbot or AI agent to search on the web. And if you see the API reference, you can clearly see the endpoint is /search and this is the URL. And here are the required parameters: query, API key, and other parameters. So we are going to just add this information in Momen.app to integrate with this search API. Similarly, you can get any API, go through the API reference and integrate that application with your Momen app. So if you go back to our dashboard, there you will have API. So click on that. Then you can click add to add an API. I'm going to say search internet and click save. Now you can open the search. I'm going to modify this. So clicking edit, providing the Tivoli search endpoint, which we saw from the API reference. and it's going to be a post request. So in the body, we need to add input. So click on add. So this is where you provide the parameters which we saw before, such as query. So add query, click save. By ticking this, you are mentioning that this is a required field. Then adding API key, API underscore key, click save, and this is a required. So even in the documentation, we see that the query is required, API key is required. Similarly, add other options as well. So here I have added few parameters. Also, you can provide a default value. So include answer always. So I'm going to set that as true. For this API key, click on the default value and enter your API key. Now our API integration is ready. Now going back to our AI chatbot, clicking on AI travel chatbot, there you got API option. Click on that, adding search internet API. That's it. Now we are ready to chat with our chatbot with internet search feature. So clicking on start conversation, I'm going to ask, give me latest AI news. Now it's using tool call. So you can see from the response, it searched for latest AI news and it got some answers. So here are some of the latest news updates and it gives one by one. This is in real time. That is super cool. Similarly, I'm providing a predefined prompt, a travel planner. Your job is to help users plan their travel itinerary. During the process, you need to ask users questions to understand their needs. Similarly, you're providing a goal for this AI chatbot or AI agent. And you can provide some constraints such as the language is soft and warm and many more. Now with that feature, we can start our conversation. So here you can see, hello, I'm here to help you plan your travel itinerary. Could you please share more details about your trip? I'm going to say, plan a travel from London to New York. Now it's asking me more questions based on the instruction we provided. To help you plan your travel from London to New York, I need a bit more information, such as travel dates, duration, interests, accommodation preferences, and budget. When I provide all this information, it's going to prepare a travel itinerary for me using the live search data. That is super cool. Next, how you can add your custom data to this chatbot or custom information. That is a process called a RAG. So in your chat section, that is the AI section, you'll be able to see context. In the context, you can upload your custom data. That is your PDF or any other data. You can see here the supported files such as PDF, Word, text, and Markdown formats. Also, you can provide third-party API information as context, and also you can provide integrated database as context as well. So by setting those information here, when we start conversation and ask any question about the uploaded data, then it is able to answer accordingly. And finally, we are going to see about other features. So the chatbot which we created is like a playground which we can try and test it by changing the prompts. But if you want to go to production, you have the front end here. Click on that and you are able to create pages. So I can even click the plus icon and add a page here. Then you can add components, such as if you want a title, click on that or drag it here. If you want a button, you can just drag it there. If you want to add input, you can drag it there. And you can reformat it, align it according to your needs. And you got all the instructions here. Next, it also contains database, which you can create your custom tables. As you can see here, these are custom tables. To configure database, you might need some knowledge in regards to setting up database and tables and how they are linked with each other, such as one to many, many to many. If you have a good knowledge in regards to database management, this will be definitely useful for you to quickly prototype your application. Also, if you're a UI designer, you should be able to quickly prepare an application or prototype an application with all the custom features and settings here. Also, you have an option here to publish the application. So click on publish, go to publish, publish and confirm. And now the application is public in this URL. So I can open and here is the chatbot ready and I can directly have a conversation with this AI travel agent. If you need more information in regards to how to set up the user interface, how to set up a database, everything you can find in Momen.app website or documentation. And if you find any issues, do reach their support team. And I'm really excited about this. And I'm going to create more videos similar to this, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.